Alright, welcome back to the layout, everyone. I've been doing some work in the locomotive yard. Got everything all tidied up. Got my locomotives all organized and did some work on the locomotives as well. All the ones that have ESU lock sound, I put them all into an advanced consist mode. So as for example, locomotive numbers 3062 and 2610 are in advanced consist mode, which is a 2-digit address. Now they still have the original address. When you put it in advanced consist address, it goes by that. But if I want to shut something off individually, I can still go in, punch up that locomotive number, and shut whatever I want off. So these two are in the advanced consist mode. These three here, these C630Ms, are in the advanced consist mode. And of course the Southern Pacific and the Canadian Pacific, they're in the advanced. I still have to do the Union Pacific and CN ES44s. The GP40s are all done. They're in their advanced consist. Same with the SD40-2s. They're done. Along with 1995 and I think it's 1204. They run together. And of course 2502 and 2503 are in their advanced consist mode too. And these two as well are in the advanced consist mode as well. Now my reason for putting everything into an advanced consist is after each running session, sometimes I don't clear out my locomotive roster out of my Digitrax system. And when you don't do that and you start punching in more locomotive addresses, next thing you know, you've got a little thing coming up on your display. Slot max is full. So that means you're going to have to go in to the command station and come over here and we set toggle switch to operation into ops like OP, okay? And then we go over here and we set operation switch to 36, push close, and it clears everything out of your Digitrax system. Now if you got locomotives that are just MU together, like these two here, which are not in the advanced consist, when you do that, it clears out everything. And it also drops these two out of their consist mode as well. So now that everything's got a 2-digit number of a consist address, which is the advanced, now when I go to clear my system out, it won't drop any of these locomotives out from each other. It'll stay the same. That's what happens when, you know, it drops out and you want to, we'll say for instance, you push this, you know, your locomotive, right? You select it on throttle 1, and then you select your other mode, and then when you hit this MU key, it'll say add or remove. And then you add them, you just hit add and it adds it. So now that this locomotive will control the ones they're sitting on this throttle, right? So every time you do that, it fills up your slot max all the time. So I've got 120 locomotive addresses that I can punch in. And yes, there are times where I go weeks on end without clearing anything out. And the next thing you know, next running session, I'm having a problem because now the slot max is all full again. So, put everything into a 2-digit advanced consist. Go to clear out your locomotive roster on your Digitrax system. That won't even drop any of these out. Everything just stays because it doesn't touch the advanced consist address at all. All we're doing is just clearing all the locomotives out of the roster itself that we're using. So as for running locomotives, I have a total of 31 that are on the layout that actually run. So we have 2 here, and the rest of them are all in the yard except for 2 more, which is in the other room. So this is how the locomotive yard looks. Boy, the majority of them are in here, so it gets pretty full in here. So, and of course, I'm waiting on the decoders for the 2B units. So when I'm going to order those, I don't know. It's just that right now, everything, the way things are going, money's getting tight. So I have to be careful what I spend now and what I do. So we're all set for the next running session. Hopefully this weekend, hopefully my engineer will show up. So there we go. Alright, I think that's it for the little update for right now on what I've been doing down here. So I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, make a comment, and we'll talk to everybody later.